Romeo?
They're kind of far off.
Honey, it's not gonna. That's not how it works. Okay? I'm serious.
It's scary.
That's what I want to get, a cool one.
Keep it stationary in one spot.
Seems like it's going away. Further out.
Oh my goodness. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
You'll probably see it more from there because it looks like the overcloud is going like that. And you see that one? Yeah. You'll probably get more on that side. It's weird. I don't hear the video.
I know.
But it's doing it in the clouds, I guess. I bet there's a lot of static out here.
Aliens.
The aliens. Oh, wow.
Oh.
They're real low.
Whoa.
Ray's looking, Romeo's looking for the light. He's like, what the hell's going on? He's like, no, I want to go inside. Oh, now you want to go inside.
Sure, I'm not stupid. Let me get out in the middle of the road.
Romeo went inside. Cheryl.
You know what? Sometimes she's laying out here and there's like two birds giving her shit, man.
Really?
She, like right here. And she's right there, she's just looking at him like she's trying to hypnotize him. I guess, you know? How they
Yeah.
do. She's just staring at him and they're like fucking her up, man. Just with words.
Just like, fuck you, cat.
Uh-huh. She's like, come on, bitch, come on.
Bite
Don't
me,
just
that's
lie there.
Bite me. Put your hands up.
Oh, Ray's getting it off.
I sure am. Keep talking. This is from a blog, man.
I think I just saw that.
Strangeconspiracies.com.
Oh, they're just right down the street at Wallace on the wall.
I think I just saw one go that way.
You pass by them, you can hear them all.
Yeah, you can hear them by the house. There's a bunch of them in the Hershey Park.
I'll let you get your Go to the corner.
Cheryl.